Installing a 4K dash cam sounds like a great idea, but not all of them are created equal. Some promise crystal clear footage and then fail you when you actually need it. Others nail the video quality but make you jump through hoops just to access your clips. So, to help you settle down, today I'm here with the top 5 best 4K dash cams. From solid budget picks to absolute premium options, I'll walk you through the ones that actually deliver. Let's get started. Starting off at number 5, we have the REDTIGER F9. And right away this one earns its spot as the best budget pick on this list. Now you might wonder what you actually get at this price point. Quite a lot, it turns out. The F9 records 4K UHD footage up front, paired with a 1080p rear camera. That means you have full coverage front and back for everyday driving. The lens comes with an f1.5 aperture and a 170 degrees wide angle. That's broad enough to capture multiple lanes and surrounding traffic in a single shot. And in low light, the enhanced night vision keeps footage clear when conditions get tricky. The F9 also comes with built-in Wi-Fi and GPS. You can manage recordings, check playback, and track your speed and location right from the REDTIGER app. It's a surprisingly capable setup for a budget cam. On top of that, the G sensor automatically locks footage during a collision. So the clip you actually need won't get overwritten by loop recording. And it ships with a 32 GB card already included, with support for up to 256 GB. Users consistently highlight the 4K video quality and the easy installation process. The rear camera cable is long enough to reach the back of most vehicles, and the adhesive mount makes setup clean and simple. That said, there are a couple of things worth knowing. The rear camera also isn't quite as sharp as the front, and parking mode works best when you add the hardwire kit separately. But for everyday drivers, rideshare drivers, or anyone after solid 4K coverage without a big investment, the REDTIGER F9 is a genuinely strong starting point. And then we have the ROVE R2 4K Dual Dash Cam. This one steps things up nicely from the budget tier. The biggest upgrade here is the sensor. The R2 4K uses a Sony Starvis 2 sensor, which makes a real difference in low-light performance. You're getting cleaner, more detailed footage when the sun goes down or in poorly lit areas. Up front, it records in true 4K UHD. The rear handles full HD, and that front camera is where the Starvis 2 sensor really shines. License plates, road signs, and fine details all come through with impressive clarity. The R2 4K comes with 5G Wi-Fi and transfer speeds up to 20 megabytes per second through the ROVE app. That means downloading footage to your phone is noticeably faster compared to standard Wi-Fi dash cams. It also ships with a free 128 GB micro SD card, which is a generous inclusion right out of the box. The 3-in IPS display is a nice touch too. You can check live footage and review clips directly on the unit without needing your phone. Built-in GPS logs your speed and route, and the G sensor locks collision footage automatically. Users praise the sharp front camera, the fast Wi-Fi transfers, and the overall value this cam offers compared to pricey alternatives. The app is easy to navigate, and the GPS overlay makes footage more useful as evidence. There are a few trade-offs to keep in mind though. The rear camera maxes out at 1080p, not 2K or 4K. The design is a bit bulkier than some compact alternatives, and there's no cloud storage option, which some users might miss. That said, for budget-conscious buyers who want genuine 4K front recording, a premium sensor, and fast app connectivity, the ROVE R2 4K is a compelling choice. Next, we have the Garmin Dashcam X310, and it brings a level of polish you can feel right from the start. The X310 records in true 4K Ultra HD at 30 frames per second. But what sets it apart is the built-in clarity polarizer. This filter actively reduces glare and windshield reflections, which means your footage stays sharp, even in bright or harsh lighting conditions. The lens covers a 140 degrees field of view, which keeps the footage looking natural while still capturing enough of the road around you. And the 2.4-inch touchscreen makes accessing settings and reviewing clips quick and easy without distraction. Interestingly, it also features voice control. You can save a clip, start or stop audio recording, or take a photo with simple spoken commands. No need to reach for the screen while driving. GPS integration embeds speed, location, and time data directly into your recordings. And the parking guard feature uses the Garmin Drive app to alert you to activity around your vehicle when it's parked, all without a hardwired kit. The crisp 4K detail, the glare-reducing polarizer, and the clean discreet design are noticeably popular among users. Besides, the touchscreen interface is responsive, and the automatic recording on startup is one less thing to think about. Now, cloud storage requires a paid subscription, which surely is a bummer. And the 2.4-inch screen, while functional, is on the smaller side if you prefer reviewing footage directly on the unit. But for safety-conscious drivers, daily commuters who want GPS-tagged evidence, or anyone who values premium build quality and smart features, the Garmin X310 is a strong contender. At number 2, we have the Vantrue N4 Pro S. And this one is a serious step forward in coverage and capability. The N4 Pro S records across 3 channels simultaneously. You get 4K UHD out front, 2.5K covering the interior cabin, and 1080p covering the rear. That's complete all-angle coverage in a single device. All 3 channels use Sony STAR-VIS 2 HDR sensors. That means you're not sacrificing quality on the interior or rear cameras just because the front gets top billing. Low-light performance is strong across the board, and the infrared cabin camera adds a layer of clarity inside the vehicle at night, which is especially valuable for rideshare drivers. And they strive to make the unit pretty durable. The N4 Pro S carries an IP67 waterproof rating. That makes it a genuinely rugged option for trucks, vans, and fleet vehicles operating in demanding environments. It's built to handle the kind of conditions that would damage a standard dash cam. Voice control is there as well, letting you save footage, snap photos, or manage audio without touching the unit. GPS logs speed and route data. Wi-Fi makes file transfers easy, and the parking mode with motion detection keeps the cam working even when your vehicle is stationary. Storage support goes up to 1 terabyte on the RC09 model, which gives you an extraordinary amount of recording time before anything gets overwritten. All in all, the 3-channel coverage, the excellent night vision, and the rugged IP67 build are the standout strengths people consistently highlight. For professional or commercial drivers, it's a level of reliability that's hard to match. The trade-offs are mainly around practicality. The form factor is bulkier than compact single-channel cams, and parking mode still requires a hardwire kit for full functionality. But if you need complete interior and exterior coverage, a weather-resistant build, and professional-grade reliability, the Vantrue N4 Pro S earns its place at number 2 without question. And finally, the absolute best 4K dashcam on this list is the VIOFO A329S. This is the one you choose when you want the most complete, cutting-edge setup available. Like the Vantrue, the A329S covers 3 channels, but the difference here is significant. You get 4K UHD up front, 2K covering the cabin with a 210 degrees fisheye lens, and a full 2K rear camera. Every single channel uses Sony STAR-VIS 2 HDR sensors. That's true high-resolution coverage from every angle, not just the front. That cabin fisheye lens deserves a mention on its own. At 210 degrees, it captures the entire interior in one shot. For rideshare drivers, that's not just convenient, it's essential. You have a clear, wide-angle view of every passenger, every interaction, all the time. Now here's what really puts the A329S in a class of its own: connectivity and storage. It comes with Wi-Fi 6, meaning noticeably faster file transfers, and a smoother app experience than any earlier Wi-Fi standard can offer. And for storage, it supports micro SD cards plus external SSDs up to 4 terabytes. That's not a typo. 4 terabytes of recording capacity, which is unmatched in this category. GPS logs your speed and route. The VIOFO app handles live view, playback, and settings. The parking mode with motion detection and buffered recording gives you reliable surveillance even when the engine is off. And regular OTA firmware updates keep the camera current without requiring manual intervention. Users single out the all-channel Starvis 2 quality, the massive storage support, the wide cabin fisheye view, and the Wi-Fi 6 speed as the features that make this camera stand out. For anyone doing long trips, fleet work, or rideshare driving professionally, the A329S simply covers everything. The main consideration is the price. It sits at the top end of this list, and like the others, parking mode works best with a hardwire kit added separately. But that doesn't mean the investment isn't justified. If you want the most capable, future-ready 4K dash cam available right now, complete coverage across every angle, the best sensors, Wi-Fi 6, and storage that can handle anything, the VIOFO A329S is the clear number one.